From $100 to $10,000 in 30 days, my proven business strategy. What's up everyone, it's Marshall. We all know time is money, right? But what if I told you that you could turn a small amount of money into a whole lot more in just 30 days? In this video I'm revealing the exact strategy I used to transform $100 into $10,000 in just 30 days. It's about smart work, strategic investments, and a whole lot of hustle. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling your business, these actionable steps will show you how to leverage time, effort, and smart investments to rapidly grow your wealth. Get that notepad ready because I'm breaking down every single step of the process, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. The $100 side hustle: finding your high ROI gold mine. Listen, not all side hustles are created equal. Some are just money pits disguised as opportunities. You want to find something with a high return on investment, or ROI. Think of it like this. You're putting in $100, you want to see that snowball into something much bigger and fast. So, where do you find these golden side hustles? It's all about identifying your skills and passions and finding a way to monetize them. Are you a graphic design whiz? Offer freelance design services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr? Got a knack for writing? Content creation is booming right now. Websites are constantly looking for engaging articles and blog posts. Online tutoring, virtual assistant services, social media management. These are all high-demand, low-investment side hustles you can start today. The key is to do your research, compare different options, and choose the one that aligns best with your skills and goals. The reinvestment machine fueling exponential business growth. Okay, so you've earned your first few $100s from your side hustle. What's the first thing you do? Do you splurge on a fancy dinner? Buy those new shoes you've been eyeing? Wrong. This is where most people trip up. They get a little taste of success and immediately start spending their profits. Here's the secret sauce. Reinvest, reinvest, reinvest. Every dollar you earn from your side hustle is fuel for your business to grow even bigger. Instead of thinking about what you can buy, think about how you can reinvest that money to increase your earnings. Maybe it's investing in better equipment, taking a course to upgrade your skills, or hiring a virtual assistant to free up your time. Trust me, seeing your business grow and your profits multiply is way more satisfying than any temporary purchase. Chapter 3. The Power of You. Building a personal brand that attracts customers. In the age of social media, your personal brand is everything. It's no longer just about what you sell, but who you are and what you stand for. Think about it. When you need to hire someone for a service, don't you often look them up online first? You check out their website, their social media, you want to get a feel for them as a person. That's the power of a personal brand. It builds trust, credibility, and makes you stand out from the crowd. So how do you build a killer personal brand? It starts with defining your niche. What are you truly passionate about? What problems are you solving for your customers? Once you have a clear understanding of your niche, start creating valuable content that showcases your expertise. Share your knowledge, engage with your audience, and be authentically you. Chapter 4. Working smarter, not harder. The art of outsourcing for maximum efficiency. Look, I get it. When you're first starting out, you're wearing all the hats. But as your business grows, trying to do everything yourself becomes a recipe for burnout. That's where the power of outsourcing comes in. Outsourcing isn't about getting rid of jobs, it's about freeing up your time and energy so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru are treasure troves of talented freelancers who can take these tasks off your plate. Chapter 5. The Mental Game. Staying motivated and overcoming challenges. Let's be real, the entrepreneurial journey is a roller coaster ride. There will be highs and lows, moments of doubt, and times when you want to throw in the towel. But it's during these challenging times that your mindset becomes your most valuable asset. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Was it to achieve financial freedom? To be your own boss? To pursue your passion? Hold on to that vision, especially when things get tough. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, fellow entrepreneurs, or even just friends and family who believe in your vision. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Each milestone, no matter how insignificant, is a step closer to your ultimate goal. And don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. So there you have it. My step-by-step blueprint for turning $100 into $10,000 in just 30 days. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a proven real-world strategy that's worked for me. It's about identifying the right opportunities, working smart, and having the right mindset to persevere through challenges. Remember, your potential is limitless. Take that first step, put in the work, and watch as your financial dreams turn into reality. Subscribe for more life-changing business strategies.